Alright, today we're going to talk about the Invincible class battle cruisers built in 1907 by the Royal Navy. So here's a photo of the actual ship, and here's a model of the actual ship. So, this guy is called Jackie Fisher, and he invented the Dreadnought. But the thing about the Dreadnought was it's a bit slow, so he needed something bigger and faster. Not necessarily bigger, but it still had to have the big 12-inch guns that the Dreadnought used. So he invented the battle cruiser, and the first ship of the battle cruisers was HMS Invincible. And HMS Invincible had the same guns of the 12-inch variety seen on HMS Dreadnought, which are these little pieces that were made from the ends of popsicle sticks and with little toothpicks jammed in the sides. They have cardboard backings on the sides, so that creates the area for the little sticks to go in. This is what goes on inside one of these gun turrets, and this ship is made in 1 to 365th scale. Kind of my own scale. It's close enough to 350th scale that it's not really too discernible. And this was the first ship that was made in this scale, so it does look a little bit rough on the edges and whatnot. Especially the propellers, which are a bit old and aren't of the absolute best quality. And here's the info sheet on the front. So, the Invincibles were sent to fight in a few combat fights. They were sent to destroy von Spee's squadron at the Battle of the Falkland Islands, where the battle cruiser demonstrated its power to destroy much smaller armored cruisers. However, it also showed that the ship had really bad accuracy with the main battery guns, so in order to compensate for this, they removed the safety interlocks within the turrets. So when the main battle came around of the Battle of Jutland, the HMS Invincible took 2 or 3 devastating hits from the battle cruisers Lutzow and Derflinger before she was eviscerated in a magazine explosion that claimed 1,023 of her crew. There would only be 3 survivors left in the water. She had 2 other sister ships, Indomitable and Inflexible, and one of the main features of the ship was it was fast, but it came at the cost of the armor. Unlike the Dreadnought, she had only 4 inches of armor on her main armor belt, and that was just not enough to fight against modern battleships. And coupled with her poor safety ammunition handling practices, she was just waiting to be destroyed in an explosion. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other battleship videos. Bye bye.